What's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Anything RC, and today we have the MT28 monster truck. It's a 1/28 monster truck by Team Associated. Let's open up the box and see what comes inside. Alright, so you open it up and bam, there's your awesome little 1/28 scale monster truck. With this model, you're going to receive your remote control and a set of batteries. There's your truck there. Two-wheel drive brush truck. And that's a Team Associate MT28. Thank you guys for watching.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.